Section 5, Data Visualisation. Data visualisation then involves presenting data and information in graphical or pictorial formats within a report format. The primary objective then of data visualisation is to enhance the understandability of data, making complex information more accessible and comprehensible. Technological advancements then have streamlined the process of data analysis and presentation, enabling quicker decision making by providing tools for rapid analysis of visualizations and information. These developments then facilitate more efficient and effective decision making processes by enabling managers to quickly grasp insights from data and act upon them. So let's take a look then at some data visualization tools. The first one that we have then is a waterfall chart. These are also then known as bridges and are commonly used then in variance analysis. These charts then highlight significant movements by scaling the size of steps in the bridge, drawing attention then to the most substantial variations first. Dashboards offer a concise summary, an overview then of a specific business area, aiding in quick decision making. Tables then are utilised for displaying reference material, organised then into columns and rows for easy comprehension. Traditional methods then, such as bar charts, pie charts and line charts, are employed to visualise data trends or relationships effectively. The effectiveness then of data visualisation tools encompasses then 4 key features. Firstly then, they must enable interrogation, allowing users to delve into systems and assess the business comprehensively. Secondly then, these tools should support decision-making processes, providing insights and facilitating informed choices. Thirdly, timeliness is crucial. The tool should deliver information promptly to meet the dynamic needs of decision makers. Lastly then, sufficient infrastructure support is essential, ensuring that the tool is backed up by robust data to maintain accuracy and reliability. These features collectively enhance the effectiveness of data visualization tools in aiding organizational decision making and performance evaluation. So let's finish then with a multiple choice question. A manufacturer then of bathrooms is planning to introduce an executive information system. What do we think then would be a potential benefit of introducing this system? Would it be A then, inventory records are updated automatically? B, labour schedules are prepared for manufacturing? C, critical strategic information can be summarised? Or D then, sales are automatically recorded in the financial ledgers? Remember then, this is an executive information system, and the correct answer here then is C. These systems then look at the strategic information. It's crucial then that it can be summarised for higher level then decision making. All of the other options there that we've got then, A, B and D, are very much benefits then of a enterprise resource planning system. These involve then more of the kind of, underlying transactions of the business as opposed to a kind of strategic overview.